Welcome to Ebonyi People TV, your go-to channel for stories that spotlight the vibrant and influential members of the Igbo community. Today we delve into the world of the young Igbo billionaires, people who have amassed incredible fortunes yet remain remarkably low-key. They are making their money in a very quiet form. These are men and women alike. These are the trailblazers, the visionaries, making waves in their fields, all while staying true to their roots. Stay tuned as we uncover the fascinating lives of these under-the-radar moguls who are reshaping the economic landscape one innovation at a time. This is Ebonyi People TV and keep watching Ebonyi People TV. Kickstarting at number 1 we have John Obi Mikel, often hailed as Nigeria's most successful footballer, who stands as a testament to what dedication and talent can achieve. Born on April 22, 1987 in Jos, Nigeria, Mikel's journey from humble beginnings to becoming a global football icon is nothing short of extraordinary. Mikel's ascent to football stardom began with his transfer to Chelsea in 2006, a move that would define his career. At Chelsea, he became an integral part of the team, contributing to numerous victories and leaving an indelible mark in the club's history. During his illustrious tenure with Chelsea, Mikel amassed an impressive collection of titles, which are 2 Premier League titles, 1 Champions League title, 4 FA Cups, 1 Europa League title. His role in Chelsea's 2012 Champions League triumph was particularly noteworthy. In a dramatic final against Bayern Munich, Mikel's calm and composed presence in the midfield was instrumental in securing the victory. Beyond his club achievements, Mikel also played a pivotal role in Nigeria's 2013 African Cup. He is known for his reserved and down-to-earth lifestyle. After leaving Chelsea, he continued his career with stints at Tianjin Teda in China, Stoke City and Kuwait SC. His journey reflects a player dedicated to his craft, always seeking new challenges and experiences in the beautiful game. With an estimated net worth of $55 million, John Mikel Obi is not just a football legend but also a savvy investor. His wealth is a testament to his successful career on the field and smart financial decisions off it. Mikel's appreciation for luxury is evident in his impressive car collection, which includes some of the most prestigious vehicles: 2012 Mercedes Benz E-Class, Range Rover Sport, 2010 Bentley Continental GT. These cars reflect his taste for elegance and power, showcasing his love for the finer things in life. John Obi Mikel's journey from the streets of Jos to the pinnacle of world football is truly inspirational. His success on the field, coupled with his astute investment and penchant for luxury, makes him a true icon. Whether it's prestigious trophies, his impressive car collection, or a significant role in Nigeria's football history, Mikel continues to be a symbol of excellence and dedication. Moving on to the second on our list is Linus Williams Ifejika, better known as B-Lord or Bitcoin Lord, a 26-year-old Nigerian entrepreneur and investor. Born on March 14, 1998, he's made a name for himself in the cryptocurrency world and started his YouTube career on February 23, 2020. Originally from Umuji, Ebenebe in Anambra State, he grew up in Delta State and studied computer science at Anambra State University, Uli. B-Lord began his career in 2017, sharing business tips and cryptocurrency advice on Instagram. He is recognized as a young entrepreneur making waves in Nigeria and serves as a mentor and role model for many. B-Lord owns several businesses including B-Lord Group of Company, B-Lord Bitcoin Store, B-Lord Gadget Store, B-Lord Luxury Store, B-Lord Automobiles, JetPay.Nigeria, JetPay.ng, and Billpoint.co. He's also known for his flashy car collection, which includes a 2022 Mercedes Benz GLE 450, a 2022 Mercedes Benz G-Wagon G63, a 2020 Toyota Hilux, and a Range Rover SUV. Beyond cryptocurrency, B-Lord is expanding into real estate, particularly in Oka, Anambra State, with an estimated net worth of around $5 million. He continues to grow his business empire and influence. To the third billionaire, we have Kennedy Okonkwo, a distinguished Nigerian businessman, philanthropist, and real estate mogul who boasts an impressive estimated net worth of $80 million. Born on October 12, 1977 in Lagos, Nigeria, Kennedy's roots trace back to Ojoto in Anambra State. His educational journey began at the University of Ibadan, where he earned a Bachelor of Science in Psychology, followed by a Master's in Business Administration from Lagos State University. Kennedy Okonkwo is the founder and CEO of Nedcomoax Limited, a leading real estate company in Nigeria. Nedcomoax specializes in the acquisition, development, and management of properties, becoming a significant player in the residential real estate sector. Under Kennedy's visionary leadership, the company employs thousands and generates annual revenues exceeding 15 billion naira. In 2018, Kennedy's innovative innovative approach to real estate was spotlighted by Forbes Nigeria, featuring him on the cover of its November edition. The feature highlighted his reflections on the power of collaboration in the African housing sector, cementing his status as a forward-thinking entrepreneur. Beyond his business success, Kennedy Okonkwo is renowned for his philanthropic efforts. He is deeply committed to contributing to various social causes and initiatives aimed at improving the lives of Nigerians. His dedication to real estate development has not only propelled the sector forward, but also provided employment and housing solutions for many, significantly impacting the Nigerian economy. Kennedy Okonkwo's journey from Lagos to becoming a top real estate mogul exemplifies his dedication, innovation, and impact. His story is a powerful reminder of what can be achieved with vision, hard work, and a commitment to giving back to the community. Kenneth Okonkwo's remarkable rise in the real estate industry and his philanthropic endeavors make him a true icon in Nigeria. His success story inspires many, showing that with perseverance and a heart for the community, immense heights can be reached. At Ebonyi People TV, we celebrate such extraordinary individuals who make us proud and showcase the incredible potential of Nigeria. Moving on to the fourth spot is Ephraim Audi. He's a 49-year-old Nigerian businessman, philanthropist, and politician. He is the CEO and founder of Orient Global Group, which includes companies like Orient Global Manufacturing, Orient Haulage and Logistics, and Purity Agro Allied Limited. He also heads Ultimus Holdings with subsidiaries like Ultimus Construction, Ultimus Properties, and Ultimus Global Integrated. His business ventures span manufacturing, logistics, construction, real estate, healthcare, trade, and services. Although much is unknown about his cars, here are some cars he has been spotted posting next to. He has a net worth of about $150 million. Audi, an alumnus of Lagos Business School and holder of a BSc in Business Administration with the National Open University of Nigeria, also earned a Doctor of Science degree in Strategic Business Management and Corporate Governance from the European American University in Panama. He is on the Governing Council of Lagos State University and the Board of Prosperis Holdings. In politics, Audi was elected as the 2023 gubernatorial candidate for the People's Democratic Party in Nigeria. Known for his collection of exotic cars and houses, he combines his business acumen with philanthropy through the Ebele and Ayinchuk's Foundation, which has built over 100 homes, 6 churches, and 3 floors of primary and secondary schools, and provided scholarships to over 1,000 students. The foundation also offers yearly medical support and hosts the Ayinchuk's Unity Cup, a sports tournament promoting youth empowerment. Audi enjoys reading, swimming, fitness, and golfing, and is an active member of several golf clubs in Lagos. At number 5, we have Mike Eze Nwali Nwogo, popularly known as Pretty Mike, who is a prominent Lagos socialite and entrepreneur with a net worth estimated between $1 million and $1.5 million. Born on October 28, 1987 in Lagos State, Pretty Mike has his roots in Imo State, but spent a significant part of his early life in Houston, Texas. His educational background in computer engineering from Texas provided a solid foundation for his entrepreneurial ventures upon his return to Nigeria. Pretty Mike co-founded Club Uno Lagos, popularly known as Q Club, with his brother Frank Nwogo. This venture marked the beginning of his journey into the nightlife and entertainment industry in Lagos. Beyond running the club, Pretty Mike has diversified his interest into logistics, particularly focusing on the transportation of textile materials. His entrepreneurial spirit extends to multiple domains including entertainment, marketing, hospitality, activism, and philanthropy. As a social media influencer, Pretty Mike has collaborated with numerous brands such as Leisure Quartz, Cola Calabor, and Remy Martin, further cementing his presence in the business and entertainment sectors. Pretty Mike is well known for his extravagant lifestyle, which includes a luxurious car collection. Some of the standout vehicles in his collection are Lamborghini Urus, Bentley Continental GT, Range Rover, Mercedes Benz AMG G63. He also owns a 36 million naira Mercedes GL 459 and a 72.4 million naira Bentley GT, both sporting customized plate like PM02, PM03, and PM7. His impressive car collection is a testament to his success and taste for luxury. Living in a lavish mansion in Lagos, Pretty Mikel has also made significant investments in real estate. His philanthropic efforts and activism reflect his commitment to giving back to the community, making a positive impact on the lives lives of many Nigerians. Pretty Mike's journey from hosting to becoming a renowned figure in Lagos showcases his entrepreneurial drive and flair for entertainment. His success story is a mix of savvy business acumen and a penchant for luxury, making him a true icon in Nigeria's social and business scenes. Diving into the inspiring story of the sixth billionaire, Jason Chukwuma Njoku, a prominent figure in the Nigerian entertainment and tech industries. Born on December 11, 1980, Jason is the co-founder and CEO of Iroko TV, a leading video on-demand service for Nigerian movies, innovation, and relentless pursuit of his dreams. Raised in Deptford, southeast London, Jason returned to Nigeria for his secondary education before heading back to the UK to study at the University of Manchester. His entrepreneurial spirit was evident early on, and it wasn't until his 11th business attempt that he struck gold with Iroko TV. Jason's path to founding Iroko TV was anything but smooth. At the age of 30, after multiple failed ventures, he was living with his mother when the idea for Iroko TV was conceived. Determined to succeed, he launched the platform, which quickly became the largest distributor of Nollywood movies online. The success led to the expansion of Iroko TV, including the creation of Rock Studios, a successful production house. In addition to Iroko TV, Jason co-founded Spark, a $2 million investment vehicle aimed at supporting Lagos-based internet startups. Spark goes beyond providing capital for offering legal, marketing, technical, and administrative support to its portfolio companies. Some notable startups backed by Spark include Drinks.ng, Toilets.com.ng, and Hotels.ng. Jason's entrepreneurial journey has not gone unnoticed. In July 2012, Forbes Africa listed him among the 10 young African millionaires to watch. A year later, he was named CNBC All-African Business Awards Young Leader of the Year for West Africa. He has also been recognized as one of Fast Company's top 1,000 most creative people in business. Jason's influence extends beyond Iroko TV and Spark. He serves as the executive chairman of Blackbirds and Betty Bingo, demonstrating his versatility and commitment to the African business landscape. Jason is married to Nollywood star and producer Mary Njoku Remy, and together they have 3 children. His personal life, filled with love and support, mirrors his professional journey of resilience and dedication. Jason Chukwuma Njoku's story is one of perseverance, innovation, and success. From multiple failed ventures to leading one of Nigeria's most successful entertainment platforms, his journey is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs. Moving on to the 7th spot is Pascal Chibuike Okechukwu, better known as Cubana Chief Priest. With an estimated net worth of $17.8 million, Cubana Chief Priest is a renowned Nigerian entrepreneur and nightlife impresario. Born on April 2, 1981 in Umuhu, Okabia, Osu local government area of Imo State, Pascal grew up as the second son in his family. He later moved to Aba, Abia State, where he learned the shoemaking trade from his father. This early exposure to business would serve him well in the future. During his time at Federal Polytechnic Nekede in Oriri, Pascal earned his first $1 million from shoemaking, a testament to his entrepreneurial spirit from a young age. While Cubana Chief Priest initially dreamed of a music career, he found his true calling in the nightlife and entertainment industry. He began his journey as the general manager of Cubana Hotel in Owerri, where a significant moment in his career occurred on August 19, 2018, when Davido performed at the hotel. This event skyrocketed Cubana's popularity and marked the beginning of Pascal's rise in the industry, building on his success. Pascal founded Club Shrine in Owerri, which quickly gained prominence. His venture into the nightlife business proved to be a masterstroke as the club flourished under his leadership. In recognition of his expertise, Pascal earned a Doctor of Science in Event and Luxury Hospitality Management from the European American University, which he proudly celebrated on Instagram on April 24, 2021. Cubana Chief Priest's influence extends beyond the nightlife scene. He has collaborated with several top Nigerian music artists, including Davido, Peruzzi, and Burna Boy. Notably, he sponsored Mercy Eke, the winner of Big Brother Naija 2019, during the reality TV show. His success as an entrepreneur and show promoter has also led to significant endorsement deals, such as Bullet's Drink. Known for his lavish lifestyle, Cubana Chief Priest enjoys the finer things in life. He often showcases his luxury car collection and high-end lifestyle on social media, embodying the success he has achieved. This very pretty and industrious woman is the 8th billionaire on our list, Linda Ifeoma Ikeji, born on September 19, 1980 in Nkwere, Imo State, Nigeria. Has carved out a remarkable career as a blogger blogger, entrepreneur, and media personality. Her journey from humble beginnings to becoming a household name in Nigeria and beyond is a testament to her resilience and entrepreneurial spirit. Linda Ikeji attended the University of Lagos, where she studied English language to support herself and her family financially. She took on various part-time roles, including waitress, model, and writer. In 2006, shortly after graduating, she ventured into blogging, becoming one of the pioneers of the blogging era in Nigeria. Her blog quickly gained popularity due to its engaging and often controversial content, capturing the attention of millennials across Nigeria. With her blog's success, Linda Ikeji expanded her media footprint. On August 22, 2016, she launched Linda Ikeji TV, an online TV network that broadcast a variety of programs from her Linda Ikeji media office. Concurrently, she ventured into online radio broadcasting and established LindaIkejiSocial.com, a social networking platform. Linda Ikeji is not only known for her business acumen but also for her philanthropic efforts. She launched the I'd Rather Be Self-Made, No Thanks project, aimed at empowering young girls aged 16 to 25 with entrepreneurial skills and financial support. In phase 1 of the project, she disbursed 10 million naira to support budding female entrepreneurs. In recognition of her contributions to business and media in Africa, Linda Ikeji was awarded an honorary doctorate degree from Trinity International University in Georgia in 2018. She has consistently been among the top searched Nigerian personalities on Google, cementing her status as one of Africa's most influential women. At number 9, we shine the spotlight on Obi Mikel, better known as Obi Cubana, with an estimated net worth of $500 million. Obi Cubana is not just a name, is a phenomenon. Born on April 12, 1975 in Oba, Anambra State, Nigeria, Obi Cubana is arguably the richest Igbo man under 50. Obi Cubana is the CEO of the Cubana Group, a colossal conglomerate that spans nightlife, entertainment, real estate, and more. His entrepreneurial journey began in 2006 with the launch of Ibiza Club in Abuja. This venture laid the foundation for his next big move, establishing the famous Cubana Club in Owerri, Imo State, in 2009. Today, the Cubana Group boasts a portfolio of luxurious clubs and hotels, making Obi Cubana a powerhouse in Nigeria's hospitality industry. The Cubana Group's empire includes Opium by Cubana in Owerri, The Grind by Cubana in Lagos, Montana by Cubana in Lagos, Pablo by Cubana in Lagos, Cubana Signature in Abuja, Puzo by Cubana in Abuja, Caledonian Suites in Abuja, Crave by Cubana in Abuja, Hustle and Bustle in Abuja, Grand Cubana Hotels in Abuja, Cubana Gustavo in Enugu. These establishments are more than just bars and hotels. They are the go-to spots for high-profile events and parties, solidifying Obi Cubana's reputation in the entertainment and real estate sectors. Obi Cubana's contributions have not gone unnoticed. He has been honored with several awards, including Democracy Heroes Award 2018 as Democracy Entrepreneur of the Year, Ghana Nigeria Achievers Award as the Inspiring Personality Award in 2017. His mansion and fleet of exotic cars, including a Mercedes Benz Formatic S40, 2 Lexus LXs, and a Bentley, are testament to his success. Obi Cubana is married to Ebele Iyegbu and they have 4 children. Beyond his business ventures, he is also known for his philanthropy, contributing to various causes and supporting his community in numerous ways. We shine our spotlight on Emmanuel Emenike as the 10th billionaire, not just a football legend but also one of Nigeria's wealthiest athletes, boasting a net worth of approximately $36 million. Born on May 10, 1987 in Otuocha, Anambra State, Emenike's journey to stardom is as inspiring as it is remarkable. Emmanuel's football career began with Delta Force before propelling him across Europe. He left an indelible mark at clubs such as Spartak Moscow, West Ham United, Las Palmas, and Olympiacos. His prowess on the field quickly made him a household name in the football world. Emmanuel's career soared during the 2013 African Cup of Nations, where his 4 goals led Nigeria to victory, earning him the prestigious Golden Boot Award. His crucial goals included the tournament's opening goal against Burkina Faso and the breakthrough strike in the quarter-finals against Côte d'Ivoire. Despite missing the final due to injury, his contributions were pivotal in Nigeria's success. Emmanuel's garage features a custom-made 45 million naira Mercedes Benz G-Wagon and a Range Rover Sport SUV, showcasing his penchant for high-end high-end automobiles. Off the field, Emmanuel's personal life is equally captivating. Married to Ephraim Audi, the 2004 most beautiful girl in Nigeria and a former Miss World contestant, the couple wed in 2016 and have 2 children. Their union adds joy to Emmanuel's illustrious life. Joseph Eze Okonkwo Jr., the 11th billionaire from the southeast, popularly known as Joizaza, is not just a name in Nigeria's elite circles. He's a symbol of youthful success and ambition. Born on March 19, 1985, in Ekulobia, Anambra State, Joizaza has swiftly risen to prominence as one of the youngest billionaires from Igbo land. Joizaza's journey to wealth began at Madonna University, where he completed his undergraduate degree. His thirst for knowledge led him to pursue a master's degree at Coventry University in the UK, laying a robust educational foundation for his future ventures. After his father's retirement, Joizaza took the helm of Jesco Oil, the family's esteemed oil company. Under his visionary leadership, Jesco Oil has thrived, expanding its operations and solidifying its standing in the industry. Known for his innovation and relentless work ethic, Joizaza has propelled the company to new heights of success. Beyond business acumen, Joizaza is a fashion enthusiast with a penchant for haute couture. His wardrobe features prestigious brands like Louis Vuitton, Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci and Zara, reflecting his impeccable taste and style. Whether at business meetings or social gatherings, Joizaza exudes sophistication and elegance. While widely recognized for his business prowess, Joizaza also commands respect in the entertainment realm. His close ties with top-notch celebrities and his understated lifestyle have garnered him a reputation that transcends the typical glitz and glamour of the industry. Despite his connections, Joizaza remains focused on expanding his business empire. Joizaza's garage is a testament to his success and love for luxury cars. He has Lamborghini to his name, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes Benz E-Class. At just 35 years old, Joizaza's journey serves as a powerful testament to the possibilities that come with hard work and determination. From overseeing a billion-dollar oil enterprise to mingling with Nigerians' elite, he embodies the belief that dreams can indeed become reality. Joseph Eze Okonkwo Jr., aka Joizaza, epitomizes the fusion of entrepreneurship, fashion, and influence in contemporary Nigeria. His story inspires aspiring entrepreneurs and showcases the rewards of dedication and perseverance in achieving lofty ambitions. Moving on to number 12, Emeka Okonkwo, popularly known as E-Money, embodies the quintessential rags to riches tale of entrepreneurial success in Nigeria. Born on February 18, 1981, his journey from the streets of Ajégúnlẹ̀, Lagos to the pinnacle of wealth and luxury is nothing short of inspiring. E-Money's life took a transformative turn during a pivotal moment after his traditional wedding in the East. On his return journey to Lagos, he received a life-changing call to execute a $2 million contract. This event marked the beginning of his meteoric rise in the business world, forever altering his fortunes. Beyond his initial shipping company, E-Money expanded his business empire to include the 5-Star Group, a diversified conglomerate. Under his leadership, the group ventures into various sectors, producing locally made products such as tomato paste, sweet corn, coconut milk, and mackerel in tomato sauce. They also have interest in oil and gas, further solidifying his status as a prominent entrepreneur. E-Money's opulent lifestyle is synonymous with luxury and extravagance, earning him the moniker Arab Money. Known for his flamboyant presence on social media, he exudes the aura of an Arabian person with his preference for gold and white attire. His residents include Omole Estate Ikeja, Lekki Lagos, Village Home in Uli, Anambra State. E-Money's collection of luxury automobiles is as extensive as it is prestigious, featuring Mercedes Benz Sprinter, which is 30 million naira, 2017 Lexus LX 570 Jeep, 39 million naira, Jaguar Range Rover Sport, Rolls-Royce, Toyota Hilux, Land Cruiser. Each vehicle is a testament to his affinity for luxury and lifestyle. Despite his larger-than-life persona, E-Money remains grounded in family values and philanthropy. Married to Juliet Okonkwo, they have 3 sons together. His philanthropic efforts and community support underscore his commitment to giving back, ensuring that his success benefits those around him. Emeka Okonkwo, aka E-Money, exemplifies the spirit of perseverance, ambition, and flair that defines success in Nigeria's entrepreneurial landscape. And there you have it, the inspirational stories behind this billionaire from Southeast. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the lives of the young Igbo billionaires who are changing the game, silently yet profoundly. At Ebonyi People TV, we bring you closer to the stories of success, innovation, and resilience that inspires us all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content of the remarkable achievers of our community. Until next time, keep dreaming big and stay tuned to Ebonyi People TV, where every story matters. See you in our next video.